Bombers are aircrafts which are used to destroy the enemy's ground targets or providing close air support to the ground forces. According to the modern classifications, bombers can be classified into two parts. 1. Tactical bombers. 2. Strategic bombers. As compared to the strategic bombers, tactical bombers are the aircraft which are smaller in size, faster, have lesser range, and can carry a limited amount of bombs with it for bombing missions. These type of aircraft are used to do special strikes in the enemy's territory with precision, like the Balakot strike of the Indian Air Force in Pakistan. In other words, we can say that these aircrafts are the most efficient aircrafts in the terms of economics of a force, as they can carry very less payload to achieve maximum effect. Any fighter aircraft or armed drone in the world could be used as a tactical bomber, whereas on the other hand, strategic bombers are those aircrafts which are bigger in size, have huge ranges, carry maximum payload to do carpet bombing. Carpet bombing is known as saturation bombing. It is a large area bombardment done in manner to inflict maximum damage to a selected area of the enemy's land. The phrase evokes an image of explosions completely covering an area in the same way a carpet covers a floor. Carpet bombings is achieved by dropping many unguided bombs in the target area. The strategic bombers are used to cripple the enemy's ability to fight back by destroying the enemy's air defenses, military installations, logistics bases, etc. Moreover, the edge which a strategic bomber does have over the tactical bomber is that they can be used during the unprecedented times of a nuclear war, as compared to the tactical bombers which can carry not more than 2 nuclear bombs at a time. The strategic bombers can carry more than 10 to 12 nuclear bombs at a time. And also they can carry both supersonic and hypersonic cruise missiles on which the nukes can also be deployed, and for a defense system to destroy these missiles is very difficult. Ever since its independence, the Indian Air Force had been operating all types of heavy and light bombers such as the British Bristol Blenheim and the American B-24J Liberator. Moreover, if we consider the industrial capacity of the Chinese, it is very much possible that with the new H-20 Chinese bombers possess a great threat to India, as if not from the northeast, the Chinese bombers can come from their future bases in Pakistan or from the island nations in the Indian Ocean region. So to counter these threats, India needs to work on both the aspects, that is, the offensive counter and the defensive counter. As of now, the Indian Air Force have publicly stated that they are working in the collaboration with the DRDO to make over-the-horizon radar, which would be able to detect even stealth bombers from thousands of kilometers away. But when it comes to the offensive counters like actual strategic bombers, India doesn't seems to do well in this field, but the options which are open to the Indian Air Force can be 1. Conversion of the Ghatak UCAV into a bigger version of a manned stealth bomber. 2. Purchasing any of the functional bombers like the American B-52 Stratofortress and the B-1B Lancer, but it is very highly unlikely, as still the US cannot afford to sell any of its prestigious aircraft to a foreign country, and the last option with which the Indian Air Force could go is the Russian Tu-22M3 and the Tu-160. Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like and share our video, and subscribe to the channel.